Hello everyone, so we are going to launch a test series for upcoming testnet examination which is scheduled to be on 26th of February. Now in this video I am going to take you through the steps through which you can enroll to the test series, and also I am going to tell you how the test series will be. It will be a demo also. So apart from test series, we also have course for GK, English and Quant. If you want, you can enroll to that course. The cost of that is 2000 per course, and if you want to enroll in all of them, the cost is rupees 4999 only. That is, you will get a discount of 1000. Now if you want to enroll to test series, then the cost is 1250. The cost is 1250, which you will have to pay at a payment gateway. Okay. Whereas if you want to enroll to the course that is for GK, for English or Quant, you will have to WhatsApp me at 7760869624. Now coming to test series, you will have 10 full-length tests, and then you will have 5 tests which will be sectional. And these are important because this will cover all of the current affairs, or the current news of January maybe, that will be covered in those small tests. So that is, we are going to come up, and then you can get the link for registration and making the payment on ignitedis.com, which is our website. Then you can also text me on WhatsApp at 7760869624, and I will share the link for the registration. And then we will also share the link in Telegram group, and in the video link below, that is below this video only, you will have the link for registration portal. You can click that link and go to registration portal. So what you will have to do there, so you will be going to this portal, when you will click the link, and then you will have to register and generate a password. Once you will do that, you will be able to log in. Okay, once you are able to log in, then you will get to see something like this. Okay, the cost which we have kept is 1250. So if you want to buy, you should click here, and after clicking you will get to a portal like this, and then after clicking here you will be directed to a portal like this. Now here right now we have just one test, which is the initial test, the first test. Subsequent test will be added every 5 days. So very soon we are going to add. When you will click here make payment, then it will direct to this. Here your name will come, and then the amount will come, which is 1250. You can pay through card, through UPI, through net banking, through wallet. Okay, and after payment you will come here. You have to go to active test. You will come here. More tests will be added soon. Okay, so here you will have 2 attempts for the first test. For the next test, next 9 tests, you are going to have just 1 attempt. Here we are giving you 2 attempts just to make you understand what is our system and how it works. Okay, now I am going to give you a demo of how the platform will be. Okay, so let me take the test. So I am re-attempting it. So when I will do that, let me make it full screen. It will check something, and then it will come to instructions. Here you will have instruction that you are not allowed to share this test with other people. So this test is basically individual effort. Okay, so please respect the effort of that individual, and please do not share it with other, not take screenshot. You can revise as many times as you want. I will show you how to do that. Okay, you can go through all the questions, learn from them, but do not do unethical things. Now when you will do next, it will show you red message, which I told you you have to do okay. When you will do okay, you will come to this interface. Here it says testnet test 1, and the time is something around 99 minutes and 44 seconds. Okay, now the first question is, Gail Ombet was associated with which organization? So suppose I don't know, I am marking Prajwala. Okay, So when I mark Prajwala, I will have to do one thing, otherwise it will not take my answer, and that is I will have to save and next. Only when I save and next it will become green. Okay, here let me do something else, and I saved again. So likewise you can attempt. You will have 40 GK questions, and then there will be question from English, as you can see, and then at last there will be questions from quant. At last you will have questions from quant. Okay, so you can attempt them also. As you can see, all of these questions I have made myself. I have not taken from somewhere else. So please respect my individuality. Please do not share it. So once you have done that, you can submit. Either the time will be up, then you can submit automatically, or you can submit here also. When you will submit, it will show you how many questions have you attempted in GK, in English, in mathematics. Do you want to submit the online exam? Yes. You have to click yes. Okay. When you will click yes, it will submit the examination and generating results. So it will show you some analytic data. Okay. You can go through that and better gauge yourself from that. So as you can see, how many questions you made correct, incorrect, etc. You have taken the test. Hope you had a good testing experience. So let us discuss one thing. What is the utility of taking a test? There are two utilities. First, having the experience. What pressure, under pressure we commit some mistake. So we can derive learning from that. We can learn how better we can take the test next time. Okay. So that is one thing. That is the one learning. The second one is you should analyze all the 100 questions. You should see the questions which you were not able to solve, what was missing, what concept you need to learn, what area you need to focus, and what information. Suppose 40 questions will be there, probable questions. So you can revise them also. For example, let me show you. So here you have solution report, questions report, etc. Go to solution report and see what is happening. So you came to solution report, and here you have this is correct, this is incorrect. So you can you can make a note of it. Here again you can go question wise, one after another, and you can see what is the answer. So you will get to know some 40 new information. So take it as 40 new information, 40 new learning in GK. Similarly, 30 new learning in English and 30 new learning in quant. Rather than just taking the test and scoring some random marks, you should invest your time here and learn from him. Okay, that is what I wanted to say, and this is more important. And I always say learning is more important than taking the test. If you will take tests like this and learn from them 5, 7, 8, that will be more beneficial than randomly giving some test. So this is all I wanted to share with you. And then again you can see here completed test, incompleted, it will come. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share. If you want to enroll, you can very well enroll to our test series.